Exploring the great outdoors with an e-bike, a must-have for RV campers. RV camping offers the freedom to explore breathtaking landscapes, create unforgettable memories, and live life on the open road. But what if we told you there's a way to enhance your outdoor adventures even further? Enter electric bikes, or e-bikes, a game changer for RV campers. In this article, we'll delve into the benefits of using e-bikes for RV camping and how they can revolutionize your outdoor experience. The e-bike Advantage e-bikes, or electric bicycles, have gained popularity in recent years for good reason. They combine the benefits of traditional biking with electric power assistance, opening up a world of opportunities for RV campers. 1. Extended range. E-bikes enable you to cover more ground with ease. Whether you're exploring a scenic trail, heading into town for supplies, or touring local attractions, the added electric power can extend your range significantly. This means you can go farther without worrying about strenuous pedaling or exhausting yourself. 2. Eco-friendly travel. RV campers often have a deep appreciation for the environment. E-bikes are eco-friendly transportation options, as they produce zero emissions and reduce your carbon footprint. You can explore nature's beauty while preserving it for future generations. 3. Versatility. E-bikes are versatile, suitable for a variety of terrains. Whether you're navigating mountainous trails, cruising along beachfront paths, or pedaling through urban areas, e-bikes can handle it all. Their adjustable power settings make them adaptable to your fitness level and the terrain. 4. Convenience. E-bikes are compact and easily stowed in your RV, freeing up space for other essential items. They're also low maintenance, requiring less care than traditional gas-powered vehicles. Exploring the benefits, let's delve deeper into how e-bikes can transform your RV camping experience. 1. Scenic exploration. RV campers often find themselves in picturesque locations, and e-bikes allow you to explore these areas intimately. Enjoy a leisurely ride through forested trails, along lake shores, or up scenic mountains without breaking a sweat. 2. Local adventures. One of the joys of RV camping is discovering nearby towns and attractions. With e-bikes, you can venture out to explore local markets, restaurants, and historical sites. Leave the RV parked and take an eco-friendly, congestion-free ride to nearby destinations. 3. Physical activity. E-bikes provide exercise opportunities while making cycling accessible to people of all fitness levels. You can choose the level of assistance, allowing for a relaxing ride or a more strenuous workout when desired. 4. Wildlife encounters. RV campers often seek encounters with nature and wildlife. E-bikes provide a silent and non-intrusive way to get close to birds, animals, and marine life without disturbing their habitats. Selecting the right e-bike. When choosing an e-bike for your RV adventures, consider the following factors. 1. Range. Look for a model with sufficient battery range to match your intended riding distances. Some e-bikes offer removable batteries, making it easier to charge them in your RV. 2. Terrain. Consider the type of terrain you'll encounter. If you plan to explore off-road trails, opt for a robust e-bike with suitable tires and suspension. 3. Foldability. If storage space is a concern, choose a foldable e-bike for easy RV transport. 4. Weight. Lighter e-bikes are easier to load and unload from your RV. 5. Safety. Ensure your e-bike has adequate lighting, reflectors, and reliable brakes. RV camping is all about adventure, exploration, and experiencing the beauty of the great outdoors. E-bikes are the perfect complement to this lifestyle, offering extended range, environmental friendliness, and a chance to enjoy the journey even more. With the right e-bike in tow, you can immerse yourself in nature, access local attractions, and enjoy active, eco-friendly travel. So, when you're planning your next RV camping trip, don't forget to pack your e-bikes for an unforgettable adventure on two wheels. Camping is our happy place.